Today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 49, group anagrams. Suppose you are given an array of strings, so group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So, for example, in this example one, we have this inputs, okay? We need to group the anagrams together. So bat, nat, and tan are anagrams, so we need to group them. And these three are also anagrams: eight, eat, and tea. So we need to group them like this. In example two, we have empty string, not no words, so we'll group the anagram like this. Okay. In example three, we have only one word a, so we will group like this. So to solve this problem, we can use Python dictionary. Okay, so let's have our result array, or let's have our, basically this is a dictionary, right? So this is a dictionary now, and we will iterate over the given strings. Okay, now we want to basically do, there are 26 characters, so we can do for I in range 26. Now for ch in s, basically t, so we need to, ch is a character, we need to get the numerical value. So ord of ch, it will get the numerical value. We will subtract from a, so that we can get it from the range, so the numerical value can be from the range 0 to 26. Okay, so t of this will be plus equals to 1, right? Okay, now we will convert this t into tuple, because t is a list, and the keys of the dictionary cannot be a list, it should be a immutable object. So so if t is already present in our result dictionary, then we are going to basically result t dot append this word. The word is s, else result of t is equals to s. Okay, so at the end we will have this dictionary, and the anagrams are stored in this dictionary. So if we return result dot values, it should group all the anagrams like this. Run the code and see. So you see all the test cases are passed. Okay, so this one is the first test case. This is empty string, it is also passed. This is only one word, it is also passed. Submit the code. Okay, so submission is successful. Our algorithm is working fine. And the time complexity of this algorithm is basically, we are using this loop, right, for s in strs. So this is, let's say, 10 strings, or whatever be the number of strings, and this is another loop, we are iterating over the character in the string. So basically the time complexity is the total number of characters present in all the strings, which is, we can say, order of n. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.